Hey everyone, this is Dan Lynch from Cosmology, and I'm here to show you how to use React Query with CosmWasm ts-codegen. Before we jump into the code, I'd like to suggest that people head over to our GitHub at CosmWasm ts-codegen and navigate to the usage section, and you can see all the various options for React Query. So if you click here, you'll see that we have to add the React Query object and set enable to true. So let's go ahead and navigate to our code, and then we will update our codegen.js file with the configuration in it. So React Query, and we will just say enabled is true. And that's all we have to do. We can open up our shell and type yarn codegen. And as you can see, now we have React Query. So what's great about using React Query in your projects is that you're going to natively be able to work with React and React hooks much more seamlessly. So this is by default using v3, and so let's just actually take a quick look at the options. And what you'll notice is that there's mutations and there's also version. So let's go ahead and set the version to v4. That way we can use tan-stack React Query, and also let's enable mutations. Now mutations are also only enabled for v4. But let's go ahead and enable this. So we'll go here, we'll go to our codegen, and what we're going to do is we will set version to v4 and mutations to true. And we're going to save. Now we're going to do yarn codegen. And when we open up our React Query, we should have mutations. There we go. So use awesome swap to mutation. So now you'll be able to not only do queries with React Query, but also mutations. So after you do the code gen with React Query, you should see all of your use hooks available on your awesome swap object. So we definitely encourage you to check out the documentation on GitHub. If there are any issues that you have, feel free to make an issue. If you have any feedback or suggestions, we're also very willing to add new features. I hope you enjoy using CosmWasm ts-codegen and React Query.